What if bees suddenly disappeared? Picture a quiet morning on a farm. Rows of blossoms waiting for a visitor that never comes. The air feels still, like nature is holding its breath. Most people think bees only make honey, but their real role is pollination. That's the heartbeat of flowering life. It's the invisible thread tying fields, forests, gardens together. Bees help plants reproduce by transferring pollen between flowers. It sounds simple, but it's one of Earth's most elegant dances. A bee lands, dusted in golden powder, then flies carrying life from bloom to bloom. Every gentle brush of a petal is a promise. Another fruit, another seed, another season. On farms, that promise becomes harvest. Without bees, many crops like fruits, vegetables, nuts would decline. Orchards would fade into quiet branches. Fields would offer less color and less food. This would affect animals, ecosystems, and eventually humans. The ripple would move from the smallest wildflowers to the largest landscapes. Food shortages and environmental imbalance could happen. And it wouldn't be a sudden crash, just a steady dimming of abundance, year after year. I think about a single apple. It starts as a blossom, fragile, bright, waiting. A bee arrives, drawn by scent and color, a tiny messenger with a big job. That visit turns possibility into reality. Multiply that by almonds, berries, beds of vegetables. That's the quiet miracle bees perform every day. In the wild, bees keep flowers blooming and landscapes resilient. Meadows hum with life when pollinators are thriving. Seeds spread, roots hold soil, and the land stays healthy. On the farm, beekeepers place hives like living engines among the fields. At dawn, the bees rise with the light, trace patterns only they know, and return carrying the future on their legs. The harvest that follows, crates of produce, bins of nuts, baskets of color, begins with those tiny flights. If bees vanished, the world would look familiar at first, but seasons would feel thinner. Markets would have less variety.